Fourth question is, write the greatest four-digit number and express it in form of its prime factors. So first is greatest four-digit number is 9999. Now I am going to find out its factors by division method. 9999. These all are odd numbers, so definitely these are not divisible by 2. Okay, so next is 3. 3 is the prime number. Okay, so 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. Done. Again 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3 and 3 1s are 3. So we have 1111. So 11 के टेबल से हम करके देखें आगे. 11 के टेबल से किया तो 11 1s are 11. I am going to solve it by division method. Here 11 1s are 11. Here is 1 take down, but 1 is less than 11, so I am going to take both 1. So put 0 here. Again 11 1s are 11. So 101. So 101 is a again prime number, so 101 or 1. So factors of 9999 is equal to 3 multiply 3 multiply 11 multiply 1101. Next is question number 5. Find the smallest 5-digit number and express it into the form of its prime factors. So again, smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Okay, so 1 stands 100,000, 10,000. So 10,000 is smallest 5-digit numbers. Again with the help of division. So again I am going to find out its factors with the division method. So again, one's place is 0, so 0 is an even number, so definitely this number is divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 0 0, 2 0 0, 2 zeros are 0. Again 2 2s are 4, 1 carry here 10, 2 5s are 10, 0 0. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 5 minus 4 is 1, 1 carry here, it becomes 10, 2 5s are 10 and 0. अगर आपको ये मेथड नहीं आ रहा तो आप इसको डिवाइड करके भी कर सकते हैं. मैं एक आगे डिवीज़न करके आपको बता देती हूँ. 1250 डिवाइड बाय 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. Then 5 take down. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 1. 0 take down. 2 5s are 10. So 2 के साथ डिवाइड करने पर हमारे पास क्वोशिएंट आया 625. So it is 625. So next prime number is 3, but here is 5. So we are trying to divide it by 5. 5 1s are 5. 2 carry, 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25. अगेन अब मैंने ये सेम ही डिवीज़न मेथड यूज़ किया है. 5 1s are 5, 1 और 5 2s are 10, 2 और 5 टेक डाउन 25, 5 5s are 25. ओके, सो हमारे पास आया 125. अगेन 5 के साथ 5 2s are 10. यहाँ पर 12 है, 12 minus 10 2 कैरी हो गए, 25 बन गया. 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So 10,000 factors are 1 2 3 4 times 2 and 4 times 5. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, then multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. These are the prime factors of 10,000. So our next question is, find all the prime factors of 1729 and arrange them in ascending order. So we have to find out the prime factors of 1729 and then arrange them into ascending order. छोटे से बड़ा, ascending means छोटे से बड़ा. Now state the relation and we have to be find out the relation between them. If any between two consecutive prime factors, और दोनों prime factors के बीच में consecutive मतलब तीनों के बीच में दो, एक का दूसरे के साथ, दूसरे का तीसरे के साथ, तीसरे का पहले के साथ, हमें इनका relation भी find करना है. So question number 6, 1729. So again with the help of division method I am going to find out the factorization. So it is 9, ones place is odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. So next prime number is 3. Let's see 3 is a divisible, this number is divisible by 3 or not. 3 5s are 15, 2 carry, then 3 7s are 21, then 19, 3 6 are 18, remainder 1. So it is not divisible by 3. Then it is not divisible by 5 because the ones place is neither a 0 not a 5. Next is 7. So let's see it is divisible by 7 or not. 1729. 7 2s are 14, 3 2 carry, then 7 4s are 28, 12, 2, 12 minus 4 or 9, 7 7s are 49. So remainder is 0. So it means we are this number is divisible by 7 and quotient is 247. Next is it is divisible by 3, then 19, 19, then 1. So 1729 is equal to 1 multiply 3, 13 multiply 19. So relation, now 13 minus 7 is equal to 6, 19 minus 13 is equal to 6. So we are 3 prime numbers and their consecutive difference is 6. So difference between two consecutive prime numbers is 6. So this is the relation. Thank you and have a nice day.